Okay, first thing I'm going to do with this is I'm going to rewrite it to where I get that sine x out of that numerator. And then I'm going to put the cosine cubed x in the denominator. And I'll probably write it like that. Okay, now I'm going to let u be cosine of x. And so if u is cosine of x, then if I take derivatives of both sides, I get du is equal to minus sine x dx. Okay. Now this is nearly what I want. I don't want that negative sign there. So if I multiply both sides by -1 or negate both sides, I get this nice little result here. So that now will be minus du, and so I can rewrite that green integral as 1 over u cubed times a minus du, and now I'm going to take that negative sign and put it out the front, and then instead of 1 over u cubed, I'm going to write u to the minus 3 power. Okay, now I can integrate that, so the minus sign is going to come along for the ride out the front, and then this will be u to the power of this exponent plus 1, so -3 plus 1, and then times a fraction out the front, and 1 over the old exponent plus 1, then plus a constant. Now, these minus signs here cancel, and u to the minus 2 is the same as 1 over u squared, then plus c. And the last thing I'm going to do is rewrite everything in terms of x. So I'm going to have 1 over 2, and then times u squared, which is going to be times cosine squared x, plus c. So that's my answer. Now, if you have done a trig course, then you know that cosine and secant are flips of each other. So another way you could write that is 1/2 times secant squared of x, because secant squared is 1 over cosine squared. Either one of those is just fine. Okay, so I am now out of time. I'm Dr. Sooze. Thanks for watching. Go to my page, hit subscribe.